What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mo. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to change the license plate light on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to be looking at a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So the only thing we'll need to replace this is a flathead screwdriver. And there's two license plate lights, one on either side of the license plate. To change either one of them, if you take a look at the right-hand side of the light, you'll see this little notch. And in that notch, there's a little tab that you need to press. So I press this tab down, the screwdriver, and as you do that, it'll allow it to come out. And now, unlike the old days where you had a bulb, this whole like LED assembly is what we'll need to change. So to get it off, to get this off here, what I like to do is just pop this up a little bit. And then once you have that down, you'll be able to unplug it. And you can kind of, as I'm doing here, get your screwdriver in here and just help you wiggle it loose like that. And that's it. In order to get it off, to put your new one back on, reverse everything we just did. Put that on there. And I've noticed these slip on there pretty hard. And then you kind of hear and see those click all on there when you have it on all the way. To get it back in the vehicle, we'll start this left side in first. And then just push it up like that. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.